Hi, and welcome back to utilizing the database citation tool for MLA Works Cited. So we've already clicked on our databases and scrolled to EBSCO, and we put in our search, which is hybrid cars. And when we did that, we came up with several different items, and we're going to use this second option. Is a hybrid car right for you? When you click on the title, you'll see different ways to access the actual article. And if you decide to use this article or an article for your paper, you will need to include it in your works cited. So the database has some great tools, one of which being a citation tool. And you can find that in the little quotation marks toward the top right. And when you click on those, you're going to see several different options and citation styles. So we're going to click the drop down and look for MLA 9th. This will give us our MLA works cited. So we're going to copy that and we're going to paste it into our Word document. You see I've already set up the document for works cited. That's in the center. And of course your last name and page number, flush right. So I'm going to paste the citation that I just copied, and I'm going to use the option of merging that formatting. So I still have a couple of things that I need to do, and that is change the spacing to double spaced, and also create the hanging indent where this first line will sort of hang out and the other lines will be tabbed over 5 spaces. And we can do that in actually one area. We're going to highlight our citation, and up at the top of our Word document, we're in the Home section, and we're going to scroll over to Paragraph and click on the little tiny drop-down arrow that's to the right of the word paragraph. So you'll notice we have a couple things that we can take care of, which would be the indentation and the spacing. So under indentation, where it says special, we're going to click that drop down and click hanging. Right underneath that is line spacing. We're going to drop down and click double. And then I also like to make sure that the spacing before and after are both at 0. And when I click OK, we now have a fully formatted MLA works cited. You've already set the paper up, so now as you enter and continue to fill up your works cited page, this page is already now set up for an MLA reference or works cited.